Good afternoon, everybody. So today was actually more interesting than usual, and it's because this morning we found a dog in my friend's grandma's backyard. So we took the dog and then we left it at one of my mom's friend's house until we got home, and we haven't even left the bus stop We haven't even left the bus stop yet, and we're waiting to go get him, and we named him Buddy, and he's like black, but he has like white mittens, and he is the sweetest thing ever. Pop tag for Jasmine.
Follow him Insta, Jasmine._Christine. Stop.
Okay, you guys, so we're about to get off at the bus to go get the dog.
Make sure you follow me on Insta. You sell the pop talk.
Okay, you guys, so I'm eating dinner at Jasmine's house. And Buddy, the dog that I was talking about earlier, they let it it started raining here, so, and the guy didn't want to see it suffer, so he called animal services. So we were kind of depressed about that, but like we have food here, so we're not depressed anymore. I wish you guys could have seen Buddy. I mean, that dog was cute, and he was just a love. So,
At first sight.
yeah, love at first sight, yeah. Alright, you guys. So that would be the end of the vlog, because my dog is drinking my water. Because I don't really have anything more interesting to do, except that I might like sleep over Jasmine's tonight.
So you have a lot of
I do have a lot of things to do too. So.
and homework.
And homework. And homework.
So
that's
today's vlog. See you guys.
Bye.